Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Today I'm going to attack a drawer that I have been wanting to declutter and organize for the longest time. Check it out. Oh boy, this is my messy drawer. In my decluttering series that I'm doing currently on my channel, I had these, I think I bought these 2 years ago to use in that bathroom, and I just never used it. So today I'm going to do a tiny tidy of this drawer and just organize it better. In this basket I had much more like facial skincare thing that really shouldn't be there.
This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a part of a collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our Team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. Let me know in the comments down below what you're Tiny Tidying this week.
But I also keep my foundation in here. This one is, I need to put that upside down. But the reason why I keep this, because after I put my foundation on, I'm always washing my hands, so I'm next to the sink. That's why I like to keep these things in there. Then once I get done, like with my with my serum, moisturizer, and primer, then my foundation, then I wash my hands, and then I go over to my vanity to finish applying my makeup. Another thing that I keep these ones, because again, when I apply it with my fingertip, because it's best applied with my fingertip on my eyelids, I need to wash my hands again. So that's the only reason why I do that. Primer. Again, there's some stuff that doesn't really need to be in here. And that could be tossed. And my root pen just in case, my arm deodorant, toothpaste, floss, let's see, Visine and all that can go in there. This is an empty bottle. This garbage, and see, this is what I had used before buying these. So definitely upgrading. Okay, got done with that little one. Just need to take these downstairs and wash those out. Throw that away, throw that away. Facial one. A facial mask. And then another razor part. There we go. Alright, in this nasty tray, I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to clean what I can, but in there I had all of these that I'm just going to go ahead and discard, and my whitening tray, my toothbrush. These actually go in a different area, so these just need to be relocated. That looks way better. Then I'm just going to add that in there. And we are good to go. I still have this one, so I'm thinking about maybe seeing if Jay wants to use that in his little area there. Just have to relocate these and we are good. So all my skincare. I've been using a lot, so I need to go through some of these. But I could probably throw away now. To look at it one more time. Thanks a lot for watching.
Need more tiny tidy motivation? I think you do, so click right there for more in the playlist. And if you're into decluttering, click right there for my decluttering series. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.